now this is exercise 2. Here we'll first question, that AD is perpendicular to BC, and they have given some value C. This AD is H, is AC is B, so and so. Okay, what you have to prove is C square is equal to, that means C square is equal to A square plus B square, A square plus B square minus 2x. So how we'll prove here? See, first of all, there you will find two triangle here. This is the first triangle, this is the second triangle. Okay, so now in triangle ADB, okay, triangle ADB, here if you see, your AB is a hypotenuse, because this is a 90 degree, so opposite side is a hypotenuse. So now AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Okay, so now AB square is equal to your C square, because they are given the value AB is C. Then AD square is equal to your H square plus BD is A minus X square, A minus X whole square. So to open this again, C square is equal to H square plus A square minus 2AX plus X square. Okay, so now if you see, now we put it this way, S square plus X square plus A square minus 2AX. Okay, this is my C square. This is my first equation. Now in another triangle, that triangle ADC. Okay, this is your triangle ADC. Here if you see, AC square is equal to, again Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. Okay, now AC square is equal to your B square, AD square is equal to your S square, and DC square is equal to your X square. Okay, this is your 2. Now if you substitute here, like you have first equation, C square is equal to S square plus X square plus A square minus 2AX. So if you see here, S square plus X square it is your B square. So I'll substitute here, S square plus X square is equal to your B square. So now what I can do is, C square is equal to B square plus A square minus 2AX. Okay, now this is what you are supposed to prove. The reason, see, as C square is equal to B square plus A square minus 2x, C square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2x. Question number 2. Triangle ABC, right angle at B, M is a point on BC, M is a point on BC. Triangle ABC, B is a right angle, M is a point on BC. Now you have to prove AM square plus BC square, AM square plus BC square is equal to AC square plus BM square. Okay, now first of all, how you can initiate? You have to consider triangle ABM. In triangle ABM, okay, if you see, AM square is equal to AB square plus BM square. Okay, that is your first. Now you have to go with the bigger triangle, triangle ABC. If you see here AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now here what I have to take, I'll move AC square on the other side. So now AB square is equal to AC square minus BC square. Okay, now you have to put this value on the first equation. What was your first equation? Is AM square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, so now AB square value is what? AC square minus BC square. Just replace this value. Instead of AB square, write it down AC square minus BC square. So now AC square minus BC square, here it is a BM square, AC square minus BC square plus BM square. Okay, it is a am square. Okay, you have to just shift the value of bc square. I'll take on other side. So now am square plus bc square is equal to your ac square plus bm square, which you are supposed to do. AC square plus bm square, here am square plus bc square. So now here you need to do a construction. There what they said, m and n are the midpoint of the side qr and pq. So pq and qr is there. There is a midpoint of m and n on the both the side. On qr it will be a midpoint m. Here it is a m midpoint. Here it is a n midpoint. Okay, this is midpoint, that means these are the equal sides. Okay, you have to just mark it. Now what you have to prove is right angle as cube. Okay, fine. Prove is pm square. Pm square, that means you have to draw another line like this, pm square plus rn square plus rn square, okay, is equal to mn square. So mn square is like this. Okay, this is your drawing. So now first of all, what you have to do, you have to take three different triangles. So here I'll mention the hypotenuse side. Based on that you have to take triangle. Is a one. The other one is this one. This is your second triangle. Okay, hypotenuse is nr or rn, and third one is the main, which you require mn. See, this is mn square, so you require this. So this is your third. So if you take the first triangle, triangle pqm, here pm square is equal to pq square plus qm square. See, pm square, pq square plus qm square. Second triangle, triangle nqr, here nr square is equal to nq square plus qr square. Nq square plus qr square, there is a second. And the third one is nm square, or you can say mn square, is equal to nq square plus qm square. So nq square plus qm square. Now what you have to do, you have to add the first two. The reason why, you are looking for pm square plus rn square. So pm square plus rn square, you need to add it. Pm square plus rn square is equal to, see, from here we will do. Now you are adding 1 and 2. Okay, so now pm square plus rn square is equal to pq square plus qm square plus nq square plus qr square. Okay, now if you see here qm plus nq, so qm plus nq, see this qm plus nq square, which is basically nm square. Is already we have written here mn square. Okay, so instead of these two addition, we can say pq square plus mn square plus qr square. Okay, because see, if you see qm square, due to Pythagoras, qm square plus nq square, it is what? Basically mn square. So I have written mn square. Now you have to write pq square. See, what is pq? If you see here, pq is what? Basically, see, these both are equal because n is a midpoint. So instead of pq, what I am writing down nq. Okay, so instead of pq square, what I am writing nq. Pq square is equal to 2nq, basically 2nq square. Okay, plus mn square plus qr. Same way, qr, instead of qr I am writing 2 times qm because m is a midpoint. So you can say instead of qr you can write 2 times qm. Okay, so here 2 qm. Just mind it that you have to put a bracket of the whole. Okay, now here you will find 4nq square plus mn square plus 4qm square. Okay, now we put it on sequence. 4nq square plus 4qm square plus mn square. Okay, here you have to 4 take common. Now nq square plus 2m square plus mn square. Okay, if you see here again, nq plus qm, nq square plus qm square. See, nq square plus qm square, which is basically mn square. Just write it down here. 4 mn square plus mn square, which is equal to 5 mn square, which is here pm square plus rn square. So it has been proved, which is you are looking for, pm square plus rn square is equal to 5 mn square. See, question number 4. They have given triangle ABC. B is a right angle triangle, 90 degree. D is a midpoint. So this BD and DC equal. Prove that AC square is equal to AD square plus 3CD square. Okay, again here we have to consider two triangle. In triangle ABD, first triangle, this is the first triangle, the smaller one, triangle ABD, triangle ABD. Here we will get what? AD square is equal to AB square plus BD square. Okay, and the bigger triangle, triangle ABC, here AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, these two triangles you have considered. Now if you see here you can say AB square is equal to what you will get? AB square is equal to AD square minus BD square. Okay, so what I will do, keep AB square as it is, have moved BD square on the other side. Okay, so now AB square is equal to AD square minus BD square. Now you have to just put that AB square value over here. So now what will be your new equation? AC square is equal to AD square minus BD square plus BC square. Okay, this is your new value. Now if you see here, BD is what? BD is a 2 times CD. Okay, because instead of BD, what I can write it down? 2 times CD. Or you can say rather BC you can write it down as a 2 times CD. See here, BC is a 2 times CD. So now what I can write it down here, instead of BD we will consider BC. Okay, so now AD square minus BD square plus, instead of BC I can write it down 2 times CD का square. Okay, you can write here because D is a midpoint of BC, so you can write like this. Okay, again now triangle ABD, AD square is equal to AB plus BD square. Okay, now I'll keep AB as it is, move this value here. So AB square is equal to AD square minus BD square. Now AC square, the bigger triangle, AB square plus BC square, AB square plus BC square. Now AB square value I'll keep it here. Instead of AB square I'll write it down AD square minus BD square. Now BC square is what? BC is what? 2 times CD. So I'll write it down 2 times CD. So you can say, now you have to open this value. Now AD square minus BD square plus 4 CD square. Okay, because 2 CD I have opened it, 4 CD square. Now BD, basically BD is what? See, this BD you can able to write as a CD because both are the equal. So what I can write it down? AD square minus CD square plus 4 CD square. Now AD square minus CD square plus 4 CD square, मतलब plus 3 CD square. AC square is equal to AD square plus 3 CD square, which is you are looking for. AC square is AD square plus 3 CD square. Now question number 5. They are given here in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. This is triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. I have mentioned here CP perpendicular to AP, CP perpendicular to AB. That means these both are making 90 degree. Now you have a two various triangle. What you have to prove? 2AB into BP is equal to BC square. Okay. So now how you can initiate is, first of all, in triangle 1, like triangle BPC, in triangle BPC. Okay, so this is a hypotenuse. Okay, understand this, because this 90 degree opposite side is a hypotenuse. So BC square is equal to BP square plus PC square. Okay, this is my first equation. In triangle APC, okay, opposite triangle APC, here your AC square is equal to PC square plus AP square. Okay, these two equations you got it. Now what you can do is, here take the value of PC square is equal to AC square minus AP square. Okay, this is the value of PC square. So now I'll substitute on in one, like my original equation was BC square is equal to BP square plus PC square. Okay, instead of PC square I write this value. So now BP square plus AC square minus AP square. Okay, now AC is equal to AB. Okay, so now you can able to write, instead of AC square, BP square plus AB square. Instead of AC I have written AB. Now AP square minus AP square. So if you see, AP is what? AB minus BP. Okay, why I am doing like this? Because I want in multiplication 2AB BP. So what I have to write it down, instead of AP I can write AB minus BP. Just write it down, AB minus BP whole square. Okay, now just open this, BP square plus AB square minus, here AB square minus 2AB dot BP. See, this is what you are looking for, n plus BP square. Now BP square plus AB square, open the bracket, minus AB square plus 2AB dot BP minus BP square. If you see here, AB square cut, BP square also cut. So now you are left with is what? BC square is equal to 2AB dot BP. Okay, which is you are looking for. It has been proved, hence proved. So you have to just practice. Okay, if you do couple of times you can able to figure it out very easy.